We started off the day with some breakfast at our hotel, Mansion Buenavista. Then it was time to head down to the beach to get ready for the boat tour.
Was so happy because her GoPro accessory broke.
I'm missing one piece.
We're going on a whim here. Hopefully the seas won't be choppy enough. Waves do look more calm. We'll see.
We booked Tour C at our hotel for 1,400 pesos per person. This tour normally stops at 5 different destinations: Matinloc Shrine, Secret Beach, Hidden Beach, Star Beach, and Helicopter Island. It also included lunch at Talisay Beach. Unfortunately, the waves were still very high, so they decided to skip Star Beach. The guides definitely know the water, so we'd rather miss one stop than having a bad experience. A 20-minute boat ride from El Nido town through Backgate Bay took us to the first stop. A tip is to bring cash because the entrance fee for the stop is 100 pesos per person and it's not included in the price. The first thing you see when you board this island is a sacred monument to honor the Blessed Virgin Mary, which was built in 1982. There are many different sayings about this island and how the monument came to be. And one of them is that a religious visionary had a vision from Virgin Mary herself to look for a heart-shaped island to build a shrine on. This house was built after the shrine as a kind of spiritual retreat. But unfortunately they did not have any permit to build it, so the house was never completed and got abandoned. Not far from Matinloc Shrine, you can find Secret Beach. It's called Secret Beach because you cannot see it from the outside. In order to get to the beach, you need to swim through a hole in the cliffs. When you get inside, you find shallow water and a beach surrounded by the huge lime cliffs. Unfortunately, it's not so secret anymore because it's a very popular stop for tourists. Before the next stop, we had lunch at Talisay Beach. crew had prepared food at the boats and then they served it at the beach. It was a mixture of meat, rice, fruits and vegetables. It wasn't a way to stop to refill the energy and drink a lot of water.
Hey everybody, hopefully we'll have more of this good weather. It was a bit choppy before, but now it's a little bit better, which is a blessing. Let's go!
Next stop that you won't be able to see from the outside is Hidden Beach. We were the first one to get into the water and swim all the way through the waves. It was a big contrast swimming through rough waves and then arriving inside this untouched beach with shallow and calm water. When Ronald was about to fly his drone, the guide told us to be careful. Apparently, there are big birds that think the drones are smaller birds and then they attack. It was really a breathtaking moment to see this wonderful nature taking place in the middle of the ocean. When we were going back to the boat, the guide told us there is another way through a hole in the cliffs. The hole was accumulating waves, so I almost fell when I went in there. So we actually took the safe path instead through the open water. I think I'm actually gonna put this down so we can get to the boat. Okay, bye. Double. Para sa vlog. Vlog.
The last stop at Tour C before we actually go back to El Nido town proper.
Dilumacad Island, also known as Helicopter Island, got the name from the helicopter-looking shape. But the island has many names because our perception is different. Some people say it looks like a chicken drumstick, others see a whale, and also a turtle.
Just recently we were at the, where were we? Hidden Beach. Yes.
Hidden Beach.
Which was quite an amazing look. Right now we're just resting. I think we're just being sunburned and being There are ants all over the place, but it's alright.
Tour
C has been actually really amazing.
It's been a long day with the island hopping.
It does. It has. Quick tip. Don't fly drones in 7 Commando Beach or Shimizu Island. There's an eagle that will actually grab and, you know, kill your drone. Don't fly there. I was a bit worried myself that my drone get caught in the whole thing, but it actually turned out really well.
On Helicopter Island, the main thing to do is snorkeling and walking along the shore. After a whole day at sea with great weather and a lot of sun, we were too tired to do anything.
Do's and don't in Dilumacad.
It was a great end of the day to just enjoy the beautiful view and reminiscence the tour.
Röda. 2 red lobsters. Yay! Red lobster. Who wants some red lobster? Yeah, please. Is it raining?
Birds pooping.
Could be birds pooping, yes. We were a little bit scared that the waves were going to be too high, but it has actually calmed down a little bit. And hopefully it will stay that way for the rest of the week. Then we'll be staying here in El Nido.
We will change location tomorrow.
Yes.
So this is our last day here in El Nido proper.
See you guys! Last day in El Nido town proper, as we're now sitting again at El Nido Beach, how it is in this beautiful town. Gonna miss it. Alright.
Eating our last dinner at Big Mama's, which is the same like franchise in Coron. Really like the sinigang, pork sinigang, so we're actually having that today as well. It's gonna be really good, with good food.
1 doggo. More doggos. And then another doggo.
El Nido is really a wonderful place, and if you want to go there, you should definitely go now when it's still not overcrowded. Unfortunately, it's starting to look like Boracay did before they closed the island, because there are a lot of restaurants and bars along the beachside that make it somewhat crowded. But the good part is that El Nido town has a very sustainable approach. For example, at 2017, they actually banned plastic bags from the island. And now they only use Econet or paper bags. This is a perfect way to take care of the nature while the tourism is growing. We have a couple of tips for this boat tour. To be able to bring your gear, phone or wallet into the water, dry bag is the best solution. Also bring bathing shoes so you won't hurt yourself by stepping on sharp stones or corals. Even if you don't burn easily, sunblock is your best friend. The whole day at sea right under the sun will leave a nasty mark and a red nose the day after. A must on this tour is water so you can stay hydrated. Thank you so much for watching and hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for 2 more episodes from El Nido. We will now go to Lagen Island and Pangalushan Island and show you the El Nido Resorts. See you soon!